Happy Earth Day from Osprey Wilds. There are many reasons to care about the Earth and want to prevent climate change. These include, but are not limited to, wanting to preserve resources for future use, enjoying nature in our personal lives, a belief that nature has inherent worth and rights, or seeing non-humans as persons and relatives which deserve respect. No matter what your personal reasons, we can agree that helping the Earth and being aware of our impact on it is important. Here are 5 fun ways that you can connect with nature and reduce your negative impact on it throughout Earth Day and every day of the year.